In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Typeform in just about 5 minutes. This is a straightforward process that can significantly impact how you gather information, whether it's for market research, event planning, or customer feedback. We're going to walk through each step seamlessly, ensuring that by the end of this tutorial, you'll be confidently publishing your own forms. Let's start at the beginning, which is naturally visiting Typeform's website. Typeform is a versatile tool that allows you to create interactive forms, surveys, and quizzes in a way that's engaging for users. It's designed to be user-friendly, but knowing the exact process to publish can save you time and confusion. Once you're on the Typeform homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Look for the login option. Clicking on this will proceed to prompt you to enter your credentials. However, for an even smoother experience, you can utilize the Continue with Google option if your Typeform account is linked to a Google account. This method streamlines the login process, bypassing the need to input your email and password manually. It's especially handy if you're juggling multiple accounts and passwords. After choosing Continue with Google, there will be a short wait. This waiting time varies depending on your internet connection and system performance, but it's usually just a couple of minutes. Use this time to think about the objectives of your Typeform and how you intend to use the data you collect. Planning ahead can make the process of creating and publishing your form much more efficient. Following the login, it's time to navigate to your form. If you've already created a form, you can find it by going directly to your workspace or following a direct link if you have one. In your workspace, you'll see all the forms you've worked on. Find the specific form you wish to publish. If you're coming from an external link, it will take you straight there, saving you, the time of sifting through your projects. Now for the critical part, publishing your form. In the upper right corner of your form editor, you'll spot the Publish button. This button is your gateway to making your form live and accessible to respondents. Clicking on Publish activates your form, meaning it's ready to be shared with the world. The process is intuitive, signified by clear visual cues and confirmation messages, ensuring you that your form is up and running. Before we wrap up, let's go over a couple of additional tips to ensure your publishing process is as smooth as can be. First, always preview your form before publishing. Typeform offers a preview option that lets you experience the form as a respondent would. This step is crucial for catching any errors or typos and ensuring that the flow of questions makes sense. Another tip is to double check the settings of your form, adjust privacy settings, configure email notifications, and make sure the closing message aligns with your goals. These small adjustments can significantly enhance the respondent's experience and your ability to collect and manage responses. And just like that, you've published your Typeform. With these easy to follow steps, you can now create and share interactive forms with confidence. Whether it's gathering feedback, conducting research, or just engaging with your audience, Typeform offers a dynamic platform that brings your questions to life. Remember to keep your form's purpose clear, preview before publishing, and adjust settings as needed to best meet your objectives. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope these steps have demystified the process of publishing a Typeform and encouraged you to explore the possibilities of engaging forms in your activities. Happy form making!